When school is out for the summer, kids want to have fun. We want to play, swim, go outside, make new friends, and learn too. We can do all of that and so much more at Apple Montessori Schools summer camp. We sing and dance, put on shows, make crafts, play sports, do experiments, and my favorite, we learn to cook during Young Chefs. It gets a little messy, but that's the best part. Another great part of summer camp is when we get to go outside to enjoy the fresh air and be in nature. There's always a Montessori lesson during the day because it's important that we keep learning and exploring all summer long. And there are plenty of chances to explore during tech time, where we do coding and robotics. When I turned 4, I got to go on lots of fun field trips. Last year, we went to the aquarium, the farm, and the wildlife refuge. I can't wait to see where we'll go this year. Most Apple summer camp locations offer swim lessons with Red Cross certified instructors. Others have water play like splash pads and sprinklers. And I know we're always safe because Apple follows lots of rules and our lifeguards make sure to keep us safe every day. Everyone at Apple is so nice. They help us try new things and make sure everyone feels happy and welcome. There are lots of places we could go for summer camp, but there's nowhere like Apple. I already can't wait to go next year.